AI video tools that could replace camera crews in 2026? What if one day you arrived on a film set and there was no camera crew waiting for you? No cameraman, no lighting setup, no sound engineer adjusting microphones, just a laptop sitting on a desk quietly generating a complete video scene? In 2026, AI video tools are becoming powerful enough to replace entire camera crews for many types of content. Marketing videos, training videos, social media ads, YouTube content, even short films. Today we are exploring the AI video tools that are changing how videos are made and why traditional filming is slowly becoming optional. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you may realize that the most important filmmaking skill of the future is not holding a camera. It is knowing how to talk to AI. Synthesia, when actors become digital. What if your on-screen presenter never needed makeup, rest, or a second take? Synthesia is one of the most advanced AI video tools for creating professional videos using realistic digital avatars. Instead of hiring actors, setting up cameras, and filming multiple takes, you simply write a script. The AI avatar reads it naturally, with correct facial expressions, eye movement, and voice tone. These avatars can speak dozens of languages, making Synthesia extremely popular for corporate training, internal communication, and educational videos. Companies that once needed studios, cameras, and presenters can now create videos in minutes. No reshoots, no scheduling problems, no expensive setups. Funny story number one, a manager once forgot to update a training script before generating a video. The AI avatar confidently explained outdated rules to hundreds of employees. The boss later joked that the avatar was so professional that nobody questioned it for weeks. That's how convincing these tools have become. HeyGen talking head videos without cameras. What if your face could appear in videos even when you are sleeping? HeyGen specializes in talking head videos with highly realistic avatars and accurate lip syncing. You can upload a script, choose an avatar, and the tool generates a video that looks like a real person speaking directly to the camera. This is a game changer for marketing, sales, and social media ads. Brands no longer need spokespersons or influencers physically recording content. They can produce dozens of versions of the same video in different languages without filming again. For camera crews, this means a major shift. Talking head videos were once the easiest and most common filming jobs. Now AI can do it faster and cheaper. The role of the human is shifting from performer to planner. Descript, editing without editors. What if editing a video felt like editing a document? Descript changes the idea of video editing completely. Instead of cutting clips on a timeline, you edit text. The software automatically converts spoken words into text. When you delete a sentence from the text, the video edits itself. Mistakes disappear, pauses are removed, filler words vanish. For podcasts, interviews, and YouTube videos, this eliminates hours of post-production work. No editor sitting in front of complex software, no long back and forth corrections. Camera crews do not disappear here, but the editing teams shrink dramatically. One person can now do what once required several professionals. This is not just automation, it is simplification. CapCut, the AI factory for short videos. What if viral videos were assembled automatically? CapCut is designed for speed. It is optimized for social media and short-form content. Auto captions, smart templates, AI-generated avatars, and instant transitions make it possible to create polished videos in minutes. This tool is one of the reasons why short-form platforms are flooded with content. Creators no longer need camera operators or editors to stay consistent. CapCut decides where to zoom, when to cut, and how to format videos for each platform. Funny story number two. A creator once uploaded a serious educational clip into CapCut. The AI added dramatic zooms and upbeat music, turning it into what looked like a motivational speech. The comments loved it more than the original version. Sometimes AI understands the audience better than humans. Pika Labs, style over setups. What if mood mattered more than equipment and emotion mattered more than lenses? If Pika Labs is built around a simple but powerful idea, visual impact does not require complex camera rigs, expensive lighting setups, or real-world locations. Instead, it focuses on artistic, stylized video generation that prioritizes atmosphere, feeling, and identity over technical perfection. With Pika Labs, creators can turn short text prompts or even a single still image into animated video sequences that feel intentional and expressive. The AI does not just animate movement, it creates tone, shadows feel deliberate, motion feels emotional, every frame carries a sense of style that would normally require an experienced cinematographer and a large creative team. Traditional filming often limits creativity to what can be physically captured. Weather, budgets, locations, and time all restrict what is possible. Pika Labs removes those constraints entirely. The environment is imagined rather than recorded. Light does not need to be set. Effects do not need to be composited later, the AI generates everything digitally, allowing creators to focus entirely on storytelling. This approach is especially powerful for artists, filmmakers, and brands that rely on mood-driven visuals. Music videos, cinematic intros, abstract storytelling, and experimental content all benefit from this kind of freedom. Instead of asking how to shoot a scene, creators ask how it should feel. For traditional camera crews, this represents a major shift. Certain shots no longer need to be captured in the physical world. Emotional transitions, dreamlike sequences, and stylized moments can now be imagined rather than filmed. The role of the filmmaker evolves from technical execution to creative direction. Adobe Firefly, AI inside professional tools. What happens when AI joins the tools professionals already trust? Adobe Firefly integrates directly into the Adobe creative ecosystem. It allows text to video and image to video generation with commercial safety and fine control. This is important because many businesses need legal safety for content. Firefly is trained on licensed and safe material, making it suitable for brands and agencies. Editors and designers who once relied on cameras for every visual now have AI as a creative partner. Scenes can be generated, adjusted, and refined inside familiar software. Camera crews still matter for high-end production, but Firefly reduces how often filming is necessary. Lumen 5, when blogs become videos. What if articles turned into videos automatically? Lumen 5 is built for content marketers. It converts blog posts and articles into videos by selecting visuals, adding text overlays, and matching music. This removes the need for filming explainer videos. Companies that once hired production teams can now turn written content into videos with almost no manual work. This tool does not aim for cinematic storytelling, it aims for efficiency, and efficiency is often what replaces people first. Why camera crews are being replaced. Is this really about technology or about speed? The reason these tools are replacing camera crews is not just quality, it is speed, cost, and scalability. AI does not get tired. AI does not need scheduling. AI does not ask for reshoots. A single person with AI tools can now produce what once required multiple professionals. For businesses and creators, this is irresistible. This does not mean human creativity is gone. It means human creativity is moving upstream. The new role of humans in video creation. If AI does the work, what do humans do? Humans become directors, writers, and decision makers. Instead of operating equipment, they define vision. The future creator knows how to write scripts, guide AI, judge quality, and connect emotionally with audiences. Camera skills matter less. Storytelling skills matter more. The risks and limitations. Is AI perfect? I still makes mistakes. Sometimes it misunderstands tone. Sometimes it exaggerates style. Sometimes it creates things that do not make sense. This is why human oversight remains critical. AI executes, humans evaluate. The creators who succeed will be the ones who use AI as a tool, not as a replacement for thinking. The silent film said, "One day soon you may walk into a studio and hear nothing. No camera clicks, no director shouting action, no crew adjusting lights, just screens generating scenes from words." Camera crews are not disappearing overnight, but for many types of content, AI has already taken their place. The future of video is not about equipment. It is about imagination. If this video opened your eyes to how fast AI is changing video creation, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you do not miss what comes next. Because the future is not coming slowly. It is already rendering in real time.